Future simple tense in travel conversations, planning future journeys. When planning a trip, using the future simple tense is essential to communicate your intentions clearly. This tense is used to talk about actions that will happen in the future. In travel conversations, the future simple tense helps travelers discuss their upcoming journeys with confidence. Let's explore how the future simple tense can be used in travel conversations with some illustrative examples. 1. Making plans. I will visit Paris next summer. We will book our flights tomorrow. She will explore the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu next month. 2. Talking about transportation. They will take a taxi to the airport. We will fly to Rome on Friday. He will drive to the hotel after landing. 3. Discussing accommodations. I will stay at a cozy bed and breakfast in the countryside. We will book a room with a sea view. They will rent an apartment in the city center. 4. Planning activities. I will go snorkeling in the crystal clear waters. We will hike to the top of the mountain. She will try local cuisine at the street food market. 5. Arranging meetings. I will meet my friends for dinner in the evening. We will catch up with our tour guide at the museum. He will join the group at the bus stop. 6. Expressing preferences. I will take the early morning train to avoid the crowds. We will visit the art museum first. She will relax on the beach all day. Overall, the future simple tense is a crucial tool in travel conversations as it allows travelers to effectively plan their trips, discuss transportation, accommodations, activities, meetings, and express their preferences. By practicing using the future simple tense in travel dialogues, ESL students can enhance their communication skills and feel more confident when discussing upcoming journeys. So, if you are planning your next trip, remember to use the future simple tense to talk about your exciting travel plans.